Okay, so what goes into this bag is an organizer, clothes for a 4-day trip, my trusted toolkit from Dirt Sack, tire puncture kit, tire repair kit, tube repair kit, not tire repair kit, toiletries, and a bunch of balaclavas and goggles and related stuff, sunscreen, everything into this. So that's the whole that goes into this. I put the and then there's the side pouch. The side pouch has the chain clean and chain lube. On this side I have my bungee cords to mount it on the bike. But this comes with its own harness, but then that's the whole lot. Anyway, so what I do is I put my toolkit over here. I put this like that, and yeah, this and this on top like that, and on the topmost point I have my tire repair kit. So that's the arrangement inside the bag, and that balances the weight really well. And this is what I want sitting on my tail, a very nice balanced bag, and not a bag that sags on either side. So yeah, that's a simple quick walkthrough on what goes inside the bag.